Ever wondered how to fuel your Call of Duty mobile addiction using the shiny Apple gift card? Let's dive in. First, grab your iPhone or iPad, the device you use for Call of Duty mobile. We need to get that gift card balance into your Apple ID. Open up the App Store. It's that blue icon with a white A. Tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. This is where all your account settings live. Now, look for Redeem Gift Card or Code and tap on it. This is our gateway to adding funds. You have two options here. You can either scan the gift card with your camera or manually enter the 16-digit code for ease. Let's go with the camera unless your code is already easily accessible. Carefully align the gift card's redemption code within the frame. The device should automatically detect and enter it. Once scanned or typed, tap Redeem again. You'll see a confirmation that the balance has been added to your Apple ID. Now jump into Call of Duty Mobile. You'll need to be logged into the same Apple ID you just added the funds to. Head over to the in-game store. This is where you'll find all the cool bundles, characters, and weapon skins. When you choose an item to purchase, the game will prompt you for payment. Your Apple ID balance should appear as the primary payment method. Confirm the purchase, and voila! You've just used your Apple gift card to snag those awesome in-game items. Happy gaming!